Yes. Just thinking about how special I am today and how all the other alleged criminals get arrested and I don't. You know, when it says issued in accordance with the Violence Against Women's Act, yes, there are certain requirements of that federal legislation, and two of the requirements are you have to have personal and subject matter jurisdiction, yes, as if the petitioner had to have the liability for the enforcement of the protection order. She would actually be responsible to inform law enforcement, yes. But she's special. We're just a special family, aren't we? I'm that one citizen power, yes, that instead of calling the cops or a sheriff, you decided that you would use the sovereign power of the county and state of America, where I didn't get arrested. You didn't read me my rights. You didn't ask me where I was at. Pouch! Now, when you're special, you realize the importance of this being special. Yes, yes, yes. It's as if the requirements of the VAWA, yes, were applicable to the prosecuting attorney's office without law enforcement. Now, when I look at the jurisdiction of the VAWA, every state, oh, all the territories, and every possession of the United States, yes, how many times has it been that you've filed a criminal complaint against a citizen power, yes, without the use of law enforcement? Oh. Well, I told you about the two amendments of the three administrations that had that federal legislation where I was in Port Angeles. Yeah, I was at the senior center emailing law enforcement about my civil rights being violated. There's that second requirement that you do have to protect the rights of the respondent. You have to give them actual notice of court hearings. Yes, it does. The opportunity to be heard before you issue it. Boo! But the funniest part is you don't do what the requirements of the VAWA, but I can look throughout the whole nation. Yes, and for every individual that had a criminal complaint filed against them, instead of it being enforced according to the requirements of the VAWA, I can see the fucking shit right now.